In order to get to the Cobb Digital Library, you'll have to visit cobb.macandvia.com. So I'm going to do that this way, cobb.macandvia.com, and it's going to bring you to a login page like you see here, and this is the same login you use for CTLS Learn. I'm going to use a student login just so you can see. And when I log in, I see the student's name at the top, and then I see Teasley Elementary School over here to the side. If you don't have a book at home, that is totally fine. We have ebooks for you that Cobb County has purchased, and there are tons of books here. So as you're building your reading stamina and you're trying to see if you can read for longer times, you have tons of books here. If your teacher ever gives you your Lexile level, you can even look for books based on your Lexile level. If you already know that, then you can, so you see the level here, maybe you read at a 500, and you want it to span from maybe 450 to maybe 550. That gives you a nice span of books that might be on your level. You can do that, and then look, it gives you all of these books that would be on your level. If you don't know your reading level, you don't have to do it that way either. You can also look by topics and genres, okay? So maybe you really are interested in sports, you could look that way. Or maybe if you're interested in mysteries, which I love, there's a mystery that would be on your level if your level were 500. And when you open the book, it is there for you, and you can zoom if you want. You can hit play and it will read to you, or you can move along yourself if you'd much rather read it independently. Okay? So lots of books available for you at Mac and Via, and even if you have books at home, you just want to check this out. It's available to you for free. If I want to get rid of the Lexile level, I can do like I did at the bottom. I can clear all filters if I would like, and I can search for something else I want, okay? So that's available to you. I wanted you to see that you have that tool, and maybe you can explore that today as you focus on building your reading stamina.